with WTI. Are you looking for that standing tray that has that beautiful boho look for a gift or for your home? Stop looking around because you have found the perfect one here. And this is the LiLaCraft 2-tier twisted made out of 100% material. I really love that it doesn't have a foul smell. And a plus too is that it's so easy to assemble. They have a tutorial which makes it so helpful and you don't struggle at all. I also love the pedestal wooden material that gives it so much elegance and such a uniqueness. And even though this is a standing tray, it can be used for so many things. For example, it can be used for desserts, it can be used for a storing tray, or you can use it just as I'm using it right now for a food tray. The height of it is 11 inches and the width it's 10 inches. This is the perfect size for my little home. I love it. This is very unique. This would make the perfect gift. I know you would even love it too, and that is just my point of view.